Welcome back to Poor Man's Print. Do you like to reload bullets? Maybe build some Joe Biden AR-14s or just work inside with the AC? Well, here's my review of the Seville Classic Workbench. Stay tuned. Okay guys, this is my review of the Seville Classic Ultra HD lightened workbench. It's 48 inches by 24 by 65 and a half. Stainless steel. One drawer with dividers. The wood is 1.5 inches thick hardwood. You can mount vices, reloaders, whatever you want to put on this sucker. It can hold. And I did a little assembly of it, and I tell you what, this is a nice bench for the price. I mean, the bench goes for $233, $234. That's what the bench goes for. And it comes with a light and all the little pegboard assemblies of it. And it's very sturdy. I mean, it's perfect for building guns or reloading, whatever you want to do with it. It comes in a whole lot of different colors, but right now, the only one I see is the gray. I believe you can get it in black. Yeah, you can get it in black, but I don't know if the price changes. So let's turn the music on and begin building this bad boy.
You're in every way. Your fear is mine. I don't have the time, bro, I don't wear a watch. I'ma move regardless, just like...
Alright guys, this is the only problem I have so far. It's just a cantilever shelf. Let me show you how it actually goes in. It took me a while to figure it out or either I'm just dumb, I don't know. Really. So the bottom lip, you can see that, has to go in this hole right here. And then line up like that. And then bolt up. Same way with the back side. You got it in there. Then you can put your screws in. Okay.
All hail, almighty freedom I chose. Tall tales, my eyes see to my road. Don't look at the clock, I don't even got time. I see people
installing the light on top of everything. I had to go back and loosen everything. The best thing to do is just leave all these bolts here loose until you get all your panels on and lined up.
Blades open my sight, guide the way over my spite. I was made as I was built. Flowers fade and flowers wilt tilt. Past lives they hover over like crows, just like I hover over my code. All hail, almighty freedom I chose. Tall tales, my eyes see to my road. And send you back home. My God of peace, my God of war, my own. So much I've been shown. All hail, almighty freedom I roam.
Okay, so it took me a little while to figure out, watch out buddy, that it doesn't go inside, it actually hangs on the top. So let me see if I can do this by myself. It's got these little hooks. Yeah, I think I got it. There we go. Yeah, that was my fault. Got these little hooks. Let me show you. If you can see them. Now you can't always see them from here, but you'll see if you buy this or whatever. It's got these slotted holes on the drawer, and it just actually lays on top. It's pretty easy. It even comes with its own mat, guys. I mean, that's pretty badass. It is. There it is. Now, I'll straighten it up later. Let's finish. Don't forget to put the screws in the holes right here once you put your drawer in. Light time.
You could drive in that cab. Hop out. If you don't like it, you can hop out. Always been a player, never dropped out. Rather cop the necklace before I cop out. I see this shit with my
This thing is perfect to charge your screw grind batteries. You could put, I don't know, 10 chargers up there if you needed to. And put your dividers in. It's pretty easy. There it is. So check this out, guys. It even comes with its own 6 receptacle and 2 USB ports with the screws in the directions. So I mean, so you can mount it right here. That's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Also, guys, they give you these hook rings that you could hang pretty much anything on. don't know if I'm gonna mess with all that right now. There's a lot of them. For 240 bucks, that's pretty damn good. There it is. See if I can get a good shot. There it is, guys. Not bad. Not bad at all. Moment of truth. Let's see how much light we got. Holy cow, that is bright. That's a lot of light. This table will be perfect for reloading. That's why I bought it, because I'm about to get into reloading 5.56, 223, 9mm, 45 ACP, or mount you a vise, build your guns into AC. I mean, this is well worth it to me. Well worth the money. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, for $240, you get all this, and I still got a whole bunch of hooks. I got them all hanging, and I still got a bunch of them down here. It's like, holy cow. So, yeah, man, we got power here, power there. Everything's good to go. The only complaint I have, let's see if I can reach, which is probably my fault. I probably lost it. I was missing one screw right there. One screw. But I probably misplaced it, tell you the truth. I'll probably find it later. Another good part is they actually give you a spare screw just in case you lose any. They give you a whole lot of spare screws and everything, which I only had one. I was actually missing two, so excuse me. I'm missing two. Probably misplaced by me, who knows. And there's only one in the spare parts kit right here. But for 240 bucks, man, that's not bad. It's not bad at all. I might buy two of them if I can fit another one. Gotta get rid of my wife's chair right there. I gotta figure out how to get rid of that.
I'm in my pajamas.
See that chair right there?
That's my mother's chair.
We gotta
You're
get
not
rid
getting
of
rid
it.
of
We gotta get rid of it. What do you think?
Divorce. Divorce.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.